to Motivation Hub. We believe in empowering you to conquer every aspect of your life. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that will resonate with everyone, the art of winning the heart. I will tell you the golden tips of your life through which you can conquer height. You can win the heart of anyone. So stay tuned. Hello, guys. So I promise you that I will tell 7 tips that will help you in your life. So the first tip for you is, if someone insults you, pause for a second and look at them and say, "Are you okay?" Whenever someone is insulting you and bullying you, harassing you, take a minute before responding. Don't respond in a similar way. Just ask him a question: "Are you okay?" So the impact of this thing, it will show your emotional intelligence. It not only catches the insulter off guard, but also shift the focus from the insult to the emotional state. It will demonstrate your ability to handle negativity with a compassion. And the person who insults you, he will come straightly on the point. So that was the first tip. So second tip is about detect lie. Some, if you are a suspicion on someone else yet this person is lying and you want to check whether he's lying or not, just look in his eyes and don't say anything, just smile. Yes, the idea is that the eyes often consider a window to someone's honesty. By maintaining the eye contact and staying silent, it will create a player and it will change his body language. Like if someone is lying, he will definitely smile after this gesture, because a truthful person never changes his body language. He has always confidence in himself that I am a truthful person. I didn't lie, so why should I need to afraid? So this is the thing that a trick to use a person who whether is lying or is a truthful person. That was about a lie. So the third tip which could help you is about the argument. So whenever you are debating, when again you are passing argument, just remember, keep your voice calm. It will give the impression and perception that you are winning the argument. Maintaining the calm tune during the argument is a powerful strategy. It suggests your confidence and control, and it will create a perception that you are going to win. It can cause the influence and dynamic of argument and potentially lead to the win-win situation for you. So that was the third tip. Now the fourth tip, which is about good gesture and good posture. Like if you are standing or sitting in a good posture, it will show your confidence, increase your confidence, spread your body and take more space. It will show your more confidence. As the posture plays a significant role in the non-verbal communication. Your confidence is all about good posture. A bad posture shows the negativity, and the way you take more space, it will spread the positivity, and it will you put huge impact on other mindset. That was all about a good posture. Now the fifth one is all about eyes. Imagine you are going to communicate and talk to the person who you love most one. Remember, the person who loved you or you are loving to anyone, whenever you are going to talk with that person, your eyes will tilt. Yes, your eyes will tilt. The tilt of people is a psychological response that someone is attracted to you and showing positive emotion, because a person who loves you most is being hesitate to talk to you, and because someone, it's a natural response, anyone who loves you, that he is puzzled that what should I say to my loved one, my crush. So this is a sign of a true love, that how a person loves you, because he won't be talk to you in a confident way. So that's all of it. Now the sixth thing is all about your friends and enemies. Remember, don't put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use your enemies. Never hate your enemies, it affects your judgment. Remember, this advice emphasizes the importance of a relationship. While maintaining trust in a friendship, it suggests being cautious and strategic in dealing with those who may not have best uh, interest at your heart. Avoiding hatred preserves objectivity and rational decision making. As there's a quote that close with your friend and closer with your enemy. Yes. So the last but not least is all about action. Remember, action speaks louder than words. Win through your actions, never through your arguments. Prove your point with your action. Emotional stuff, arguments, solve nothing. Be about the action. The idea that action speaks louder than words, instead of getting caught in emotional stuff, focus on demonstrating your belief and intention through concentrate action. Action have a lasting impact that can effectively communicate your position and your values, leading to the more meaningful result than the verbal argument. So this was all about the 7 golden tips that help people in their life. So this is a just start. The end result whenever you implement all these things in your life. So for further more motivation, like, subscribe, Motivation Hub. Stay tuned with me. It's your host Mohammed Qasim. Bye bye.